Rugged has launched the strongest EV ever made in India. It is very much indigenous as it is reliable. So they have put around 4 years of expertise and knowledge and research to design and develop this bike. So on an average, this bike has got a very decent, I can say, speed, charging time as well as range. But the major important part of this bike is the distinctive V-shaped frame design steel chassis, which is very much indeed necessary for maximum strength, and this is what brings the ruggedness out of it. Now, a bike to be heavy duty also needs to be powered by a really stronger battery. So this EV has got a swappable battery system which has a capability of 1.9 kilowatt per hour each. This portable battery can be charged in 0 to 100 in just 4 hours, and it is water resistant. A very unique feature of this bike is that it has got India's first indigenously built hub motor, which is fully serviceable in India, water resistance with IP67 rating. Now, this is the display of the e-bike. By looking at it, we can clearly say that this is a day LED display which clearly indicates the battery capacity, the range as well as the speedometer. Okay, now if you look at the bike itself, as we see the frame, the battery goes in here, here's the hub motor, and the most unique part of this is these two suspensions. That is what makes it rugged, as well as it has got decent seating arrangement, right? And it comes with an application so that we can remotely monitor the bike and its performance and other things like navigation. So if you look just at the bike, what the brand wants to do is to develop a trust by building a rugged bike so that it can definitely be used in Indian conditions. Coming to the performance, it has a motor which brings about 1.5 kilowatt to 3 kilowatt of peak power. It has got a decent top speed of 75 km per hour. It's a hub motor and it is dust and water resistant. With the range, if you see, the range they claim is about 160, but I'm sure you can get exactly around 120 to 130. So it's a lithium ion swappable battery. If it could have been lithium iron phosphate, that would have been better because it has much better life cycles compared to lithium ion. The brakes are good. The tires, if you see, they are about 120/70, about 14 inches of tires. Suspension is perfect. Features are standard. If you check of the weight of the bike, it has got around 102 kgs, which is really decent. And the most important part of this entire presentation is the warranty. The chassis is about 7 years, and overall the bike has about 2 lakh kilometers of warranty for battery, charger as well as motor and other parts. So this is really important and game changing when compared to other options. Now, the Rugged comes in two models. One is G1 and another is G1 Plus. You can clearly make the distinction. The Plus model comes with an extra battery, and these are the price range. So on an average, I can say that with a single battery you can go around 60 to 70 kilometers. With a dual battery it goes around 160 kilometers. Now that is how it looks. You can pre-book just like Ola for $499, and you can get in touch with them for some more queries. But I feel this is promising bike even for city goers and you know, the people in the villages across India. This is sure going to be a game changer if they plan their strategy well and start developing it in greater numbers, and depends on the feedback and the customer service how they give. So that's it for today. This is eCharged signing off. Thank you so much.